The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is a nation shaped by its unique geographical and locational characteristics. From arid deserts to intricate coastlines, UAE's industries face distinct transportation and infrastructure development challenges. EDDY Pump emerges as the solution, offering state-of-the-art slurry pumps and dredging equipment tailored to the UAE's major sectors, with applications spanning agriculture, mining, manufacturing, chemicals, electronics, machinery, and metals. EDDY Pump's technology navigates the UAE's diverse terrain with ease. Opt for EDDY Pump's rental services to gain a strategic advantage in material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Flexible and cost-effective EDDY Pump rentals empower UAE industries to overcome capital constraints and adapt to project demands. Select EDDY Pump as your preferred partner for immediate access to cutting-edge technology. From agriculture to manufacturing, EDDY Pump ensures efficient material transfer and infrastructure maintenance across UAE's critical industries. Explore our transformative pump and dredge equipment offerings today. Contact us today. Transform your operations with EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.